This is Jeff with the Malco Group, and today we're going to be doing a step-by-step install of the Silent Plus mini line. Let's get started. For this type of install, we've taken the cover off the mini split. This allows us to get easy access to the drain line. We're going to start by installing the line set covers, making sure they're nice and level. We mounted our pump into our elbow, and taking our inlet elbow, our straight connector, and our tube, we're going to measure the distance between the drain and the pump and cut accordingly. We've connected our drain line to the pump, making sure we secure each connection point with a zip tie. We've also connected our 1/4-inch vinyl tubing running to the outside, also making sure we connect and secure with zip ties. Finally, we're going to be taking our plug-and-play cable from the mini split and our plug-and-play cable from the pump, making sure we align and connect, then tucking away. The mini line's monoblock design and plug-and-play cable allow you to replace this pump with just making 3 simple connections. Make sure to reference the manufacturer's install guide before wiring. The next generation pumps come with an internal 1-amp fuse. Refer to local electrical code to see if any additional fuses are needed. On this install, we have a white wire in terminal 1, a red wire in terminal 2, and a green wire in terminal 3. Take the gray and black wire from the pump and the white wire from terminal 1 and wire nut them together. Next, you will take the purple wire and replace it into terminal 1. Finally, we're going to take our red wire from the pump and attach it to terminal 2. Make sure to tuck the wires away and replace the faceplate. The last thing we're going to talk about is how to test your pump. First, you're going to want to turn on the power, and then using a spray bottle with some water, spray water into the drain pan, allowing the pump to cycle, ensuring that all your connections are secure and everything's running smoothly. Finally, we're going to install the front parts of the line set covers. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, reach out to the Malco Group or your local rep.